Okay, just started recording on OBS. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it's storming really bad. So if this video cuts out for some reason, that's the reason why, because my power went out. So I gotta make this incredibly fast. Hi, I'm Joseph Kateri, and we actually hit 100 subscribers, and we're getting a few hundred views per video now. I've been creating videos just on a random channel since I was about 9 years old, and this is pretty much the biggest I've ever gotten. So I'm forever thankful that I'm making content that make people happy, that they find useful, and that they think is worth their time, because I think that a person's time is an incredibly valuable thing. Anyways, today we are going to be swinging around as a gorilla, but cooler. So I think the angle's better than the last video. I think so, at least. Anyways, if you're watching this video, you're probably trying to make your gorilla tag experience a little bit different or maybe more fun. I had the same thought basically when I first played gorilla tag back in my best side quest games video like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So right after I made that video, I went ahead and tried to figure out ways to install mods on gorilla tag, and I have been playing around with it for about a week now. But first, I don't know where it's gonna pop up on the screen. I don't know, like right here. Take a look at this first. It's still super high. It's at an all-time high. 98% of people are not subscribed. This, me talking to the camera, does not help it. But I am very grateful that we hit 100 subscribers. That's very meaningful to me. I literally like FaceTimed one of my friends and I was like, dude, I'm actually gonna hit it for once in my life. Like, it might happen tomorrow, and it did. So let's try to keep this up, keep subscribing. Let's try to hit 200. I'm not sure when that would happen, but it's a goal. Anyways, so you want to mod gorilla tag. Maybe you want to make it freeze tag or lava tag. I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. Maybe you want like different skins. You can do anything with mods. So this tutorial will show you where to get the mods and how to install them onto your gorilla tag game. But first, I need to give a huge warning, You will get banned for using these mods. Like, you will 100% get banned. The only way you wouldn't get banned, and this is still a maybe, is if you use these mods in private lobbies with just friends, and make sure it's a private lobby. It can't be a public lobby that's like empty, it has to be private. Do not use them anywhere in a public server, or else you will get permanently banned from playing gorilla tag, because modding is generally and pretty universally seen as an unfair advantage. So yeah, just don't. Anyways, for this tutorial you will need an Oculus developer account, you will need SideQuest, you will need the latest version of gorilla tag, and Discord for this tutorial to work. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, first off, make sure your Quest or Oculus device is connected via a USB-C cable to your computer. After it's connected, you're gonna wanna put on the headset and just click allow data to be shared with PC or whatever the fuck it says, and allow debugging, that one's important too. And just disable AirLink if you have that turned on at all. Alright, now go into the description and click on the GitHub link. It'll bring you to this website. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Lori the Fish. They're actually the Jesus Christ. That had to have picked up. It's still going. So I want to give a huge shout out to Lori the Fish, as they are the creator of this mod. Also, I don't know if you guys realized or not, but I'm basically like copying this tutorial from FluffySez. I'm actually making this because I got a recommendation to. But a huge shout out to Fluffy, that's who I learned this all from. Alright, when you're on this website, you're gonna just scroll down until you see these assets. Now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the Quest Patcher Windows.exe. All you have to do is click on it and it'll download. Okay, and here's mine on my desktop right here. I'm just gonna right click it, open it. It's gonna say Windows protected your PC, ignore this. It's not a virus as far as I know. Just click more info, click run anyways. And then just click install for all users or install for only me. I don't know why you would only do it for you, but install for all users. Just click yes whenever this pops up. Click I accept the agreement. Just click next, click install, and it'll install. Whoa. And it's already done. Now, this tutorial does only work for Oculus Quest 1 and 2, so keep that in mind. Alright, just click next, and then make sure you have this checked. Open Quest Patcher, click finish. Alright, and now it is opening up right now. Alright, now it'll say, before you install mods, Quest Patcher must patch your app. That's perfectly fine. All you gotta do is click patch my app. This process will take a few minutes. It's going pretty fast for me, but on average, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and now it's done. Patching complete, your installation is now modded. You can now access mods, cosmetics, etc. Just click OK. And now it is time for the Discord part. By the way, this video actually came to life, like I said before, because of a suggestion given to me in my Discord. If you want to suggest videos to me, go into the description, join my personal Discord and talk to me. While down in the description, check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and even the music that's playing right now. And while in the description, this is actually a needed step in the tutorial, you're going to join the gorillatag modding Discord. It is linked down below. When you first join it, it should look something like this. Once again, this is not my server at all. This is just a modding community for gorillatag. You're going to click complete at the very top, and then you're just going to scroll down all the way, click I have read and agreed to the rules, click submit, and you are now in the server. Now you're going to go to quest mod releases, and now here's just a bunch of community mods. Here's a cool rising lava one. Lava rises from the ground, fall in and you get tagged. Basically just like, oh, the floor is lava. You know that game? So just make sure you read the changes and whatever. Make sure you enable custom queue. There's usually a condition that you have to do right here. You're just gonna go ahead and go to this download, click it, and it will download automatically. All right, and here it is on my desktop, risinglava.qmod. I'm gonna open up Quest Patcher again. I'm going to click browse in the top right. Go to my desktop, here it is, risinglava.qmod, and open it up. Now, as you can see, it says outdated mod. That means the mod is old. The current gorillatag game is actually version 1.1.1, and this is 1.0.1, meaning it's actually incompatible. Oh no. You can still use it. It may crash your game, admittedly, so you're gonna have to just test it. I personally would just stay away from it, but this is an example of sometimes a mod just does not work because it has not been updated, and that's okay. So you can just click enable now if you want to. I'm not going to actually, I'm just gonna click cancel because I don't want to deal with outdated mods. But as you can see here, it's disabled, but if I wanted to actually use the mod, despite it being an older version, I just check this box right here. Instead, let's try going to this long arm monkey and just download that. You get it in the same way, and as you can see, I just clicked browse and inserted it, and now it is here, long arm monkey. Because you're gonna need some additional stuff with this mod, it automatically installed these libraries. Don't worry about it, it's completely fine. They're just necessities needed for the mod. And there we go, I'm actually completely done. Now I have long arm monkey mod on my quest, on my gorillatag. Now, you may be wondering, what about cosmetics? I want cool skins, I want cool hats. That's okay. Go back on Discord, and then right under quest mod releases, the one you're supposed to be in, there's hats. You're gonna go ahead and just click that. And here are a bunch of skins, a bunch of masks, a bunch of hats. Let's quickly pause right there. Almost forgot something. So if you want to use any type of cosmetics such as hats or skins, you're going to want this mod as well, Gorilla Cosmetics 1.2.9. Make sure that is installed as well. And then you can go ahead and put your hats in. Okay, and unpause. I really like this Super Saiyan one, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna click this download link right here, and it downloaded, whoa! You've already been doing this for the other mods. Open up Quest Patcher again, and instead of staying in this mod section, we're actually gonna go to cosmetics and other items. Now you're just gonna wanna select what kind it is. It is a hat. And I'm just gonna click browse, and guess what? I'm just going to the file again, just like every other thing we've done. I know, it's kind of redundant. But here it is. Now I have a Goku hat. Cool. And that's it. You're done. Now again, the reason I'm doing this tutorial when the previous one by FluffySez actually works is just because Quest Patcher itself has updated a lot recently. The UI is completely different, so this is just a more updated tutorial. And you can actually go ahead and just install as many hats and stuff as you want. Don't worry about like incompatibility about having 16 hats on at once. It actually doesn't work that way. So what will happen is you're gonna have to go into the treehouse in gorillatag, and there is going to be almost like a coat rack of different hats you can wear. So they will just have a selection of what hats. It's kind of like Beat Saber, where you just put in a bunch of sabers at once and then go to the mod menus and select which one you want. And also, if you wanted to use these mods such as the Rising Lava mod or the Long Arm, make sure you're in a private lobby. Like I said before, you're actually gonna have to go into private lobbies and select them using the computer. It's a little difficult to do, but you get used to it. And one final step is you're just going to fully restart your Oculus Quest to make sure everything took effect. And that's it. By now you should have custom mods in your private gorillatag lobbies. Anyways, this channel is all about making educational and entertaining VR content, so hit the bell or join my Discord to receive updates on when I upload. You can find links to my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and music I use down below. Have a nice day, or night in my case. Bye bye.